No, 3.
No, here.
CHTTV. Thank you for watching.
Hey y'all, today we're playing a family game and we are playing Squawk, the explosive chicken game. We've got it all hooked up now and this is what it looks like. And our chicken. So to play the game, we're gonna put this token in an egg. And if it lands on the egg side up, then you don't win anything. But if you get the chicken, then you get to take a chicken out of the hen house and keep it in front of you. And the person with the most chickens wins. So let's load it up.
Yeah, who's gonna go first?
The youngest player goes first. So Trinity gets to go. There's the hen house. Okay. So you gotta press on his chest. See if he lays an egg. Roll the dice.
Roll it. Yes.
Trinity, you got one. Press the chicken.
Press the chicken. Right here. No, press it right here.
No. Alright, Sars's turn.
No, Hayden.
There it goes in line.
Okay.
That's not how you roll. 2. Nope, nothing for Cyrus.
2. Squawky. No.
Back to Trinity.
2. 3.
Press the chicken. Press it hard. 1,
2.
2, 3. Good job. Cyrus's turn. 2 again. Okay, crack the egg and see what it lands on. Oh, scrambled egg. You don't get anything. So we gotta load him back up.
Turn it this way so it doesn't.
1. Nope.
Roll it.
Trinity's turn.
Roll it.
Roll the dice.
2. Hey, press it 2 times. Press chicken. Press the chicken. Press the chicken.
Press the chicken 2 times. 1. One more.
Squawk. Squawk.
2. 1. Cyrus got it again. Let's see if you get a chicken this time. Dump it out. Chicken! Alright, so you get to take a chicken out the hen house.
How the heck?
Keep it in front of you. So Cyrus has 1 chicken. Okay, let's load it back up. Let it
Give me.
Hayden's turn. One squawk. One.
Squawk it 1 time. Go 3.
No, here. Trinity gets a chicken. get a chicken. No, you keep it. You keep it. That's for you. That's your chicken.
2. Chicken.
Some flying chickens. Alright, Hayden, you're the only one without a chicken. Can you get one? Nothing.
What's wrong with this big chicken layer?
You got 11. There's a 1. Good job.
I saw the 2. Trinity. What's gonna make this new layer legs?
Lay legs? I don't think they're gonna lay legs.
Stop. Eggs. Legs. Legs. Trace that Bubba turn.
Trinity.
Legs.
Think it's a chicken.
I get a chicken. There, I get a chicken.
Woo!
Oh
my God, a chicken. There's only 2 chickens left. Who's gonna get them? 2. Nothing. Hayden's turn. One. Push the chicken. Push him. Don't pull his tail.
Bubba's turn.
Nothing.
Roll the dice. Roll the dice.
You gonna roll? What's the
What's
chicken name?
Trinity, roll it.
You naming the chicken? What's the chicken's name?
Rick.
It's
The chicken's belly. What's the chicken's belly? One more. No, drink. Push the chicken's belly one more time.
push it.
And okay,
Bubba turn. Dustin. Come on, Hayden. Nothing. Chicken's hard.
The Gunita.
She don't want to give up her eggs. Go ahead, Trinity.
Chicken. Please lay your eggs for us. Please. Cow. Roll it. Press the tummy 2 times.
Push the tummy hard, hard.
No.
Yeah, push the tummy.
Push it. I don't want you back in the hole. I'm going to get the box.
There you go.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken. So Trinity gets the last chicken.
Yep. Trinity came in second place.
Okay. All the chickens are gone, so let's count them up. Trinity has 2 chickens, even though she dropped 1. Cyrus has 3. And Hayden has 1. Wah, wah, wah. So Hayden gets to play with that chicken.
Like and subscribe for more fun videos.